Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Living Art Anthology. I'm so glad to have you here again. As many of you know, I create most of my Christmas pics myself. This is partly because these materials are scarce here in Australia. We don't have stores like Hobby Lobby or Walmart or Michaels, so the best solution is to make them yourself. The beauty of DIY is that you get to choose the style and colors that perfectly match your vision. One great way to start creating your own handmade Christmas pic is by using fabric. Let's get creative and make something truly unique together. Here are the materials that we will need. Begin by creating the skeleton for your pic using a 10 mm diameter gap filler rod, which you can easily find at any hardware store. You will also need an 18 gauge floral wire. And I think I bought mine from Caution Co. You can either shop online or in store. Now, by using your wire cutter, start by cutting the tip of your wire at an angle to make it sharp for you to easily thread this onto your rod. Then carefully thread the wire through the center of the rod. Sometimes the wire might pierce through the foam, but that's okay because you'll be covering it anyway. Once the wire is in place, trim the gap filler rod so that it aligns with the tip of the wire, leaving about 5 cm of wire extending beyond the end. This will provide a sturdy base for your Christmas pic. Then you will need to start prepping your fabric. Cut your fabric to a width of 6.5 cm and approximately 20 cm in length. This size will give you a good base to work with. Now, using your sewing machine, switch to a zipper presser foot. This will allow you to sew your fabric very close to the rod. Ensuring a snug and secure fit for your Christmas pic. Trim the excess fabric using a pinking shears to prevent frying. But be sure to leave a small amount of fabric at the bottom. This extra fabric will help secure the pic when you wrap your floral tape around the base, anchoring it to the tip of the wire. Now, here are a few examples of how I incorporate these handmade pics into my decorations. I usually curl them. So thank you for joining me today. I hope my work inspires and helps you in your creative endeavors. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.